we had to divide 2 plus 5i by 4 minus I. So 2 plus 5i divided by 4 minus I, we had to write it. That is complex division we are doing. When you divide this, we have to take a complex conjugate. 2 plus 5i divided by 4 minus I. Here complex number we are doing. So denominator should be a whole number. It cannot be a complex number. For that we have to take a complex conjugate of this 4 minus I. Complex conjugate of 4 minus I is 4 plus I. That we have to multiply and divide without changing this value. Okay, and then after that you have to take the multiplication of this term, that is 2 plus 5i into 4 plus I divided by 4 minus I into 4 plus I. Okay, so here this term we have to multiply this. First term you have to multiply a plus b into ac plus d multiplication we have to do it. So first term, first you have to multiply the first term. 2 into 4 is 8, and then this is multiplied with the outer term. So 2 into I you have 2i. So plus 2i, and then you have to multiply the inner term 5i into 4. Here all the terms are plus. So plus 5i into 4 is 5 into 4 is 20 into I 20i. And then you have to do the last term multiplication 5i into I plus, here you have plus into plus, you have plus 5 5 into 1 is 5, I into I you have I squared. Okay, 5i into I is 5i squared, whole thing divided by, here you have a plus a minus b into a plus b formula is there, that is a squared minus b squared. So here a value here is 4 and b value here is I. So we have to use this formula, 4 squared minus b value here is I squared. Okay, so which is equal to here 8 8 plus 2i plus 20i becomes 22i plus here 5 into I squared value is minus 1 divided by 4 into 4, you 4 squared is 16 minus I squared is minus 1. So minus minus plus, and here 1 you have to write it, which is equal to here 8 and minus 5 this is, isn't it? So 8 minus 5 plus 22i divided by 16 plus 1 is 17. 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 22i divided by 17. This is the value, or you can write this to be 3 by 17 plus 22i by 17. We have to take real parts and imaginary parts separately. This is the answer. Thank you.